they don't want to listen, they can stay back, okay? Those of you who want to listen, you can come forward. Alright, you have a choice here. Okay, the story that Nenek will be sharing today, I don't know, some of you may have heard it before. Have you heard a story in Bahasa Melayu? Dalam Bahasa Melayu is called Anjing dan Bayang. Okay, Anjing dan Kucing is a different story. But today Nenek will be sharing a story. It's called Anjing dan Bayang-Bayang. Pernah dengar tak? Pernah. Okay, you like the story? Yes, but today we are going to talk about it or about the story in English. Alright, and it is translated, yeah? In English it is called A Dog and yeah? Okay, A Dog and its reflection, yeah? Okay, bayang-bayang, ya, anjing dan bayang-bayang. Anjing in English is, of course, everybody knows, is dog, right? But maybe most of you will not know bayang-bayang. You know what is bayang-bayang? Macam shadow, kita jalan bukan? Kita jalan, you can see shadow, betul tak? Yeah, because the sun is behind. Is in front of us, you can see your shadow, kan? Shadow tu bayang-bayang. Ataupun the other word for shadow is reflection, yeah? When you look at the mirror, yeah? You look at the mirror. Do you see the mirror every day? Yeah, what do you see when you see a mirror? What do you see? Kita punya muka, kan? And that is what you call reflection. Yeah? What else? Where else can you see your reflection? Mirror. Where else? Water. Right. You are very smart. Yeah? The girls over there are very smart indeed. Yeah. You can also see your reflection in the water. Yeah? And so this story is about a dog and its reflection. Yeah? Okay, so now Nenek is going to tell the story. Quiet and listen, because Nenek will be asking questions later. Ya, dengar baik-baik sebab Nenek nanti akan tanya soalan, ya. And those of you can answer. Wow, definitely you are one of the smart ones. Okay, listen, ya. Listen, boleh? Alright. One day, you know a dog? Okay, anjing, yeah? A dog was wandering in the forest because he was hungry. You know what is hungry? Lapar. He was very hungry. You know dog, when a dog is hungry, how does it look like? The tongue will come out, right? Like that, yeah. When the dog is hungry, and he walked everywhere. Suddenly, he spied or he saw a butcher shop. Okay, butcher shop. Shop. You know what is shop? Kedai. Butcher. Tempat jual daging. Yes, okay, butcher. Yeah, butcher is a place where they sell daging, yeah, daging, kedai daging lah, yeah. In this case, this is kedai daging. So the dog quietly went into the butcher shop. Yeah, quietly hiding, and when he saw there was an anybody looking at him, what did he do? What do you think he will do? He ran forward. He will not water this time. When the dog is hungry, he's looking for food. Yeah, when he's thirsty, he will be looking for water. Yeah. So in this case, the dog is hungry, so he'll be looking for food, and he saw a nice piece of juicy red lembut, manis, on a piece of bone. What is bone in Malay? Tulang. Bone in Malay is tulang. Meat is daging. So daging is lembut, and of course the dog, he cannot resist. So a dog will definitely do anything when he sees food, especially when this dog is hungry. He stole the meat. Dia curi daging tu. Curi anjing dia boleh curi. Manusia boleh curi tak? Tak. Okey, anjing dia tak ada akal. Dia boleh curi. So only anjing can steal the meat. So what did he do? He quickly run out of the shop. Okay, dia lari keluar daripada kedai itu with the holding the meat in his mouth, right? Boleh bayangkan tak? Boleh ya? Okay, let's see. Okay, imagine this is a piece of meat. Imagine this is a piece of meat, Okay. Now, can someone show me how does a dog run with a piece of meat? Can someone show me? Do you know how? Okay, the meat will be inside the mouth, right? A dog. Can a dog hold a meat? Can a dog hold a meat with his hands? No, so it must hold with his mouth. So imagine this is the meat. Like that, right? So he is. And what will happen when the dog wants to eat? What will happen? What will he do? Up, but he will put the meat on the ground and up like that, isn't it? So that's how the dog will eat. So in this case, he will have to carry in his mouth the meat, because he has to run away. The butcher is chasing him. You know the butcher? Yang orang kedai tu yang jual tu is chasing him. So he has to run away. He ran into a forest. You know what is a forest? What is a forest? Hutan kan? Forest tu apa? Hutan. So he ran into a forest, then he need to cross a bridge. You know what is a bridge? Apa dia bridge? Jambatan. Okay, he need to cross a bridge. Alright? When he cross a bridge, you know the meat is inside the mouth, right? Okay? Then he looked down to the water. The water in the river. What happened when he looked at the river? He looked down. What happened? He saw his own reflection, but does the dog know that it is his reflection? He doesn't. He doesn't know that it was his reflection. But what do you think he thought he was? What do you think? Another dog. Smart lah. Some of you are really very smart. So he thought it was another dog having another piece of meat in his mouth. And what do you think the dog will feed? Yes, he thought there is another bigger piece of meat. Another dog is having another bigger piece of meat, and he become very tamak. You know tamak? What is tamak in English? He becomes greedy. And what did he do? He wants the other meat also, isn't it? He also wants the other meat that he thinks the other dog is having inside the river. So he and what happened to the okay. So the meat inside his mouth dropped inside the water. And what happened after that? so sad, yeah, because when he look inside the water, there is no more me. Because he's looking actually at his reflection in the water. Okay. And so the dog has got to walk away feeling very sad because he has lost his piece of meat. Okay? Boleh? Okay, I know you have been concentrating. Nama siapa? Yeah? Kalisa. Okay, she has been following the story and she knows the story very well. Maybe you want what you have heard? Kalisa? Okay, siapa listen tadi? You listen, right? What's your name? Yeah? Idlin? She did. Okay, she did. I know you listen attentively. Good. Okay. The moral of this story. What do you think is the moral of this story? Okay, kalau dalam bahasa Melayu, orang tamak selalu rugi. Anjing ni apa? Jadi tamak, ya. Yang orang lain pun dia nak. Yang dia pun dah ada tapi orang lain punya pun dia nak. Ya, in the end dia